The surf capital in Costa Rica hides a treasure, an amazing place where life emerges. Colors flutter around and mysterious creatures amaze us. This magnificent forest is home to all kinds of life, and that is why Rainforest Adventures assume the mission to preserve it.
The vision of Rainforest Adventures is to conserve our natural resources by promoting a world-class ecotourism experience.
Dozens of exotic colors immerse us in a wonderful experience, and mystical creatures fill us with curiosity and wonder.
We have the butterfly garden, frogs, toads, snakes. We also have a caiman, turtles, exhibits, medicinal plant garden, bromeliads. So all these different elements are different life forms that they can be found in the rainforest areas.
It is a place to discover from the treetops, enjoying an aerial tram ride through the tropical forest. We have 9 towers and 18 gondolas. Each one can carry 8 people and the guide.
Our canopy tour is one of our most successful and our most popular options because it combines the magic of the aerial tram, and you can zip down through 10 different cables, 14 platforms, and you can have both the adventure and the nature experience all in one.
We have high safety standards. All of our platforms have lifelines and railings. We use top-of-the-line equipment, double cable and double harness and automatic brake, which gives you the confidence to enjoy the adventure carefree. Here you can explore new paths and test your skills climbing 50 meters, and then crossing the sky on a suspension bridge. We also have the challenging mountain bike tour, which consists of a 30 minutes ride on the aerial tram and a descent route through the forest on a bicycle. We offer covered areas, restaurant, parking, and all the facilities to celebrate private activities such as weddings and corporate events. Incredible moments are captured in this place, and you can take a souvenir to remember great adventures.
In 2015, we were recognized by National Geographic as one of the top 10 adventure tours of the world. Also, a couple of years before that, we were recognized by the International Ecotourism Society as the world's most sustainable theme parks.
Costa Rica is a place to conquer dreams. When was your last magical adventure? Rainforest Adventures. Real nature, real fun.